Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the top paw nail grinder. Begin by getting your pet comfortable with the grinder's gentle hum and slight vibration, perhaps with a short treat session. Always ensure your grinder is fully powered and ready for use. Prepare your work area by gathering treats, styptic powder for any nicks, and a soft towel, creating a calm environment. Once your pet is relaxed, gently hold their paw, isolating the nail you intend to grind. Position the grinder so the safety guard guides you, exposing just the very tip of the nail. Use a smooth, upward motion, rounding the nail gently from the bottom. Grind each nail for only 2 or 3 seconds at a time, preventing heat buildup and discomfort. Remember to grind only a small portion of each nail during a single session, focusing on consistency over length. Periodically check the nail's cross-section for the pink quick, a sensitive area, to avoid any pain or bleeding. Always rotate the grinder among different nails to prevent any single nail from getting too warm. Throughout the process, offer generous praise and delicious treats to keep your pet positive. After each grooming session, ensure you thoroughly clean the grinding bit to maintain its effectiveness for future use. Store your grinder in a dry, secure location, safely out of reach from playful paws. Regular nail care significantly contributes to your pet's overall paw health and comfort, preventing painful overgrowth. Consistent, positive grooming experiences will strengthen the bond and trust you share.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.